send you a letter to come back home to play. But to your dismay, this isn't your day, for the happy fun time has begun to fade. Watch as we reanimate our corpses you abandoned, but dismantled or mishandled, but we won't be skipped and swayed. Trapped within these walls, you left our souls to drift away. The ink decayed, the walls are day, but a reckoning has come today. You say Morris has no guts, cause you replace it with mechanical strain. We've been tortured, but we move forward. This disorder kills your day. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure good in need. Oh, now you must build a bomb machine. You die tonight. Tonight, build a bomb machine. You die tonight. So you found all the pieces to initiate the pain. A venom stains, a knife remains, but the ending's always just the same. No gain. Nod your head to the beat of death as you draw your last eternal breath. Sensations of an invasion doesn't course right through your veins. You say we have no brains, we're just cartoons for your betrayal. To tell some tale when a boat can sail, but sure this inevitably unveils the veil. Splashes of eternal hate will flood the floor and clean your slate. Now we're the fools and you're the fool. A knife and dominate. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure good in need. Oh, now you must build a bomb machine. You die tonight. I am alive, immortalized. You're the creator, you traitor. Hey, there's no vaccine to cure good in need. Oh, now you must build a bomb machine. You die tonight. Come to the end now, alive and dead inside. The heartbeat's loud, you've joined our crowd.